Mute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Mute பண்ணு. Now I request Dr. K. Indradevi ma'am, Head of the Department, Instrumentation and Control Engineering, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, Professor. Thank you. Good morning to all. It's my indeed pleasure to welcome all for the AICTE IST sponsored workshop on Internet of Things IoT using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Phase 3 virtual mode from 23rd March to 29th March 2021. To welcome is the tradition, and I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest of the inaugural function, Dr. K. Palanikumar sir, Principal Sri Sai Ram Institute of Technology, Chennai, for being with us today. I welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome our management and our beloved principal, Dr. A. Shankar Subramanian sir, to this esteemed program. I welcome you, sir. I would like to extend my warm welcome to heads of various departments to this occasion. It is my privilege to welcome our most respected professors and industry experts from various reputed institutions and industries to this virtual faculty development program. Not but not the least, I welcome all our GRG family to this virtual platform and make this occasion as a successful one. Thank you all, and once again I welcome you all to this workshop on our IoT using Arduino and Raspberry Pi phase 3. Thank you.
It is my honor to call upon our principal sir, Dr. A. Shankar Subramanian sir, Chairman, IST Tamil Nadu section, to preside over the function.
Thank you, Don Douglas. Respected Professor Dr. K. Palanikumar, Principal, Sri Sai Ram Institute of Technology, Chennai, and the Honorable Executive Committee member of Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi, Dr. Indra Devi, the coordinator of this program, learned faculty members from various polytechnic colleges and engineering colleges, industrial participants. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. First of all, my sincere thanks to All India Council for Technical Education for sanctioning and supporting n number of virtual faculty development programs during this pandemic period. In the new normal, it's really a great challenge in all fields. The technical education also facing the same challenges. But whenever there is a challenge, there is an opportunity also. A similar boon is this virtual faculty development programs sanctioned. Thousands of faculty members throughout the country are utilizing this opportunity in a positive way. Thanks a lot for AICTE for sanctioning this course. Dear friends, you are well aware that the Indian Society for Technical Education is the only professional society in the country which caters the need for technical education. So it's closely associates with the government bodies for the upliftment of technical education. Similarly, every year, more than 200 programs are sponsored by AICTE through ISTE to conduct faculty development programs. In addition to the sponsored programs, a number of self-financing staff development programs are also, self-financing STTPs are also conducted through Indian Society for Technical Education. So this is one of the interesting topic, Internet of Things using ordinary and Raspberry Pi. It's an emerging field. We have an eminent speaker for the inaugural session. Dr. Palanikumar is very well-known academician in Tamil Nadu and in India. Sai Ram Institute of Technology is a well-established institute which is conducting n number of programs for their students and the students of other engineering colleges. They are also conducting many faculty development programs through various channels for the upliftment of the technical education. I express my sincere thanks to Dr. Palani Kumar sir for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. And as a chairman of IST Tamil Nadu section, I request every staff members who are attending this program to become a life member of Indian Society for Technical Education, because this professional society will really help you to move forward in your technical career. I once again request all of us to utilize this opportunity to upgrade yourself and to help your students to develop their skill in the area of Internet of Things. Thank you, Amandal.
Thank you, sir. It is our indeed pleasure to elaborate our guest of the day, Dr. K. Palani Kumar, sir. Dr. K. Palani Kumar, sir, Professor and Principal of Sri Sai Ram Institute of Technology, Chennai. Sir is highly skilled in statistical data analysis, curriculum development, and public speaking. Sir has published more than 425 papers in national international journals, international conferences, and Sir holds more than 15 patents in his career. Sir has produced around 18 doctorate scholars in his 25 years of teaching experience. Sir has funded more than 1.5 crore from various funding agencies. Sir is a lifetime member of ITSI, ISNT, Indian Welding Society, ISTE, fellow member of IE, IIPE, and Sir is also the associated editor of Journal of Modern Manufacturing Technology, IJM FMP. Sir has been awarded as National Best Researcher Award by ISTE. It is our pleasure to have you, sir. Now I request our chief guest to address the gathering.
Very good morning to one and all present here. Thank you for the nice introduction. I express my sincere thanks to Dr. Sankara Subramanian sir, Chairman, ISTE, Tamil Nadu section. He has kind enough in supporting all our activities. He has given a great opportunity to interact with the inaugural function of AICT IST sponsored program and IoT based on Arduino and Raspberry Pi. So this is the great initiative in the Polytechnic institutions that GRG Polytechnic College is taking many initiatives and giving many inputs to the teaching faculty. So that this is a very great opportunity to the people to learn from the leader. Also, GRG Polytechnic College is having close association with the industry. We can have an industry participant also here. So this is a great opportunity to interact with the people. So these are possible with the great initiatives of Dr. Sankara Subramanian sir, Principal, GRG Polytechnic, and also Dr. K. Indrani Madam, HOD, IC Department, making the initiative for making this program, Internet of Things, using Arduino and Raspberry Pi on behalf of the Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering. Also, Mrs. J. Brema, she is also going to be present here. She is going to give the vote of thanks, and Mr. B. Don Douglas, lecturer, has given a very great introduction about me, for which I extend my sincere thanks to him. As a team, GRG Polytechnic College, they are making many initiatives and they are conducting the many programs for the benefit of the teachers and industry professionals. So this is the very great initiative and a very good initiative for the teachers and the teaching community. Not only the teaching community, the industry people also able to benefit through this program. Raspberry Pi and Arduino are important things that are used in the Internet of Things. Choosing an IoT platform is a prerequisite for beginning the development of an end-to-end IoT solution. Let us take a look at Raspberry Pi and Arduino, the most popular open firmware and hardware platforms. Suppose if you are using Arduino, Arduino is a microcontroller board that is used for dedicated applications. For example, actuating small devices like motor, sensor, lights. On the other hand, Raspberry Pi has a microcontroller, HDMI ports, and a RAM, which means that with basic coding knowledge, you can configure an OS on Raspberry Pi and use it as a media streaming device running a web server or VPS. So, if you are looking for an M2M interface, Arduino is what you need. But if your end use involves a human interface, then Raspberry Pi would serve the purpose. Which other crucial metrics would you consider before choosing between Arduino and Raspberry Pi are the power requirement, network connectivity, sensor connectivity, development languages, etc. So that nowadays the people are using Internet of Things to control many things in the world, even in the agricultural field, engineering field, and many field, the people are using IoT. So using this Arduino and Raspberry Pi, we are able to control many things. Even if we are entering inside the room, automatically we can switch on the fan, or automatically we can switch on the light, or we can automatically switch on the AC. Or if you are going outside of the room, automatically the AC will be switched off. So that we are able to save the power and we are able to do many things by means of using Internet of Things. So in this situation, this Arduino and the Raspberry
Sir?
Sir, நம்மளதான்
மேம் பிரேமா மேம் மேம் கேக்குதுங்களா மேம்?
Yes, Don, I'm hearing you.
ஐ திங்க் சார் கிட்ட நெட்வொர்க்.
Sir?
என்ன ஆச்சு? இவங்களும் பேச மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. டான் கேக்குதுங்களா?
கேக்குது மேம்.
மேம் கேக்குதுங்களா?
என்ன கேக்குதுமா? அவ சாருக்கு என்ன அங்க ஏதாவது நெட் பிரச்சனையா என்னன்னு தெரியல.
இந்திரா அவரை மொபைல்ல கூப்பிட்டு பாருங்க. ஹலோ
இந்திரா தேவி மேடம்.
மேம் இப்பதான் பேசினாங்க மேம். சார் இப்பதான் சார் பேசியிருக்காங்க.
Hello?
Sir, yes sir, please sir.
Are you able to hear?
Yes sir, we can. Yes sir.
There is a connection interruption.
Okay sir, please sir, please.
Sorry for the interruption.
It's okay sir.
So, this is a very great initiative by GRG Polytechnic on Internet of Things using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. So this is a very great initiative that the teachers are able to learn what are the things that are happening in the world. Also, they are able to teach to the students that how the IoT is working, how we are able to interconnect Arduino and Raspberry Pi in IoT, so that small projects and other things are able to make it. So this is a very great opportunity to interact with the teachers. So the HOD of the ICE department has made a very good arrangement, and many speakers are going to present their views on IoT. I think this will be very much helpful for the students. In this August gathering, I express my sincere thanks to Dr. Sankaran Subramanian sir for providing an opportunity to interact with the teachers of the Polytechnic and the engineering colleges. And this is a very great initiative from the Polytechnic that GRG Polytechnic is taking many initiatives. And also through ISTE, after becoming the chairman of ISTE, Sankaran Subramanian sir is taking many initiatives and organizing many events through the Indian Society for Technical Education. So these teachers are having more input through this kind of lectures and faculty development program. So this is a very great initiative even during the pandemic time. Please be safe and do better. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I express my sincere thanks to one and all for providing me an opportunity to interact with the teachers of the engineering institutions. Thank you very much.
sir, thank you sir. Thank you for your presence and gracing this occasion, sir. Calling us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable information and blessings for our conducting the AACT IST workshop, sir. Now I request Prema Madam to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present in this webinar. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. K. Panikumar sir, respected principal, HODs of various departments, my dear colleagues, and my dear participants. It is my privilege to have been given an opportunity to propose vote of thanks on this inaugural function. On behalf of our management, principal, all staff members, and on my own behalf, I would like to extend my hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Dr. K. Palanikumar, Principal, Sri Sai Ram Institute of Technology, Chennai, for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions on this inaugural function of AICTE ISTE sponsored the Fresher Induction Workshop on Internet of Things using Arduino and Raspberry Pi 3 online mode. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to AICTE and ISTE for sanctioning and sponsoring this webinar series. It is my duty to extend my sincere thanks to our management for their continuous support and permission given. I would like to express my hearty thanks to our principal and chairman, ISTE Tamil Nadu section, for his encouragement, guidance, and support given, and for his encouraging presidential address. Thank you, sir. It is my duty to extend my heartfelt thanks to the coordinator and her team for their involvement and dedicated service. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the participants. Once again, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all who are all contributing for the success of this webinar. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I request all the participants to switch on their videos to have some snaps with our guest. Dear professors,
Out of thanks, Munjaman. So I request all the professors to get back to the same meeting room for the 11 o'clock session 1 on day 1. Thank you.